This is how I load my microgreen trays. So what I wish I could have done with this little setup here was actually make it a little bit longer. I actually got this design from Jared over at Windrock Farms. Overall, it's a really cool idea. Like I said, it needs to get back a little bit further so that I could put more trays in this little bed and then slide them out. I do find me moving kind of fast. There is a bit of limitations because I can't put as much soil into the boxes I would like to, but as you can see, we're kind of limited on space back here, so I can't really go as deep. But I think his is actually a little bit longer, and it's for good reason. Pretty good design, a little bit faster. I'm not bending over, and I'm still moving quite fast through these things. At least that's how I do it for my 1/4 trays. Trying to work around you guys. It's saving grace for me at the moment, even though I just had to do it right now, is that you don't really have to take much time smoothing out the trays and stuff, which to me always is the longest part of this gig. So that's kind of where this thing is shining for me at the moment. That's why I'm still kind of using it like this. It's been a while since I've actually even had to do these trays. So I'm a little bit rusty at this as well. But anyway, I am seeing a couple of things that I would like to improve on this box to make it work more efficiently. Like I said, making this a little bit longer would definitely help out a lot. That way we can actually even fit a full bale of our grow medium in there as well. So I really do like the system. Get done with these pretty damn quick. I don't know how many I just did. I'm sure I did enough. All right, now we're gonna do our 2-inch tray. If we do a scoop, we don't want it to be heaping over like this. That's why I kind of do my best to make it level. It lets me know that for the most part, all the trays are pretty much exactly the same. This time of the year, however, because we are a little bit hotter, not a bad idea to give yourself a little bit more grow medium, just because this stuff dries out really fast. But when you start getting down to the 70s, 80s and 70s,
come over here. Let me show you something.
You're back, for the most part, watering once a day, at least around here. If you guys want to take a look at how I built this thing real quick, slap this thing together, actually it was more of a rebuild. I'll leave the link down below. If you want to keep up with what it is that I'm doing throughout the week, I post a lot on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us out a lot around here. And thank you for taking the time to rock with me, man. I'm Justin Gay. This is the Seeds of Xanadu, yo.